What's up, YouTube? It's early. It's 6 a.m. I'm going 4x4 and you're coming with me. Looks like it's gonna be a beautiful day. So this morning I got a 3-hour drive from Lillooet to West Harrison. Gonna stop and hope for Tim Hortons, of course. It's not a Canadian road trip without Tim Hortons, eh? Going to an event that's being put on by the 4-Wheel Drive Association of British Columbia. It's a monthly run that they do at Hale Creek. This is my first time doing a group 4x4ing event like this. I think there's supposed to be 20 people showing up, give or take. Not everybody says they're going and shows up, and people who say they're going don't. You know how it goes. Anyways, leave you some videos of driving through the Fraser Canyon. It'll be about 9 o'clock when I get to Harrison Mills. It's like all Jeeps here, eh?
Yeah, holy shit, look down there. It's just Jeep. Matt, it's a phone booth.
Morning.
Howdy.
How's it going?
Brr.
Yeah, it's a little chilly, eh? It's a little warmer here though. I came from Lillooet, it was minus 12 this morning.
I didn't put long johns on today.
Whatever he says, he's lying.
Hey. So he is wearing long johns.
Lots of Jeeps coming in today. Hi, Chris. Hi, Matt.
Hi, Nick.
What's your useless advice for the day, Matt?
You're gonna break something. I hope I get it on video.
Good advice. Chris?
I'm gonna have really hot curry for dinner, so I'm not looking forward to tomorrow.
Hi everyone, drivers meeting for the 4-Wheel Drive Association maintenance run. Basic trail rules: pack out what you pack in, tread lightly. When you're on the trail, you are responsible for the person behind you. If you lose sight of, you stop, wait for them to catch up. If we come to a fork in the road, same thing, especially you stop, make sure the guy behind you knows which way we went. Nothing like getting to a fork and not knowing which way your group went.
If we're coming to an obstacle like the rock garden, if you're going down the hard way, make sure that you give lots of room, whether you're going downhill or uphill.
Yeah.
So in case the vehicle loses power, you don't run into the vehicle in front of you or it doesn't roll back into you.
We get to the top,
Just doing a donut, no big deal.
whatever order we line.
Right. So other things to keep in mind, we're driving on a very high use FSR for the first about 23K.
Yeah.
There's going to be trucks coming both directions. There might be a guy on an ATV doing donuts right in the middle of the road.
Want to make sure to stay out of the way. See a quad coming out, he doesn't necessarily look.
Yes. Turn your headlights on, that way we can. And the last thing, the runs for the association, no drugs, no alcohol while we're on the runs. You want to have a beer afterwards? Great. The hub is that way, have at her.
I'll see if Chris is gonna make it down the mountain.
I hope you fall.
Well, it should be fun.
Oh yeah. I don't know how much maintenance I'm gonna do.
Selfie time. I think we're about to roll. Woo! Woo!
Man, that was crazy. I was clinched the whole time. Do it! Best route for this. I don't want to hit that big rock on that side. I'm not gonna lie, that just looks like a straight wall. Yeah, no shit, right? I don't care, I'm replacing my bumper this year anyway, so. Now we're holding everybody up. Yeah. Long ass truck. Nice. I'm so glad you got that on camera. Of course it's me. See Matt's exhaust pipe? Yeah, nice. Do you see your exhaust pipe? I'm filming you right back. Even that. Oh, I didn't think that was enough. See me.
Oh shit.
Apparently I got 5 more washouts like that.
Oh, we're gonna. This guy's going for it.
That's a beautiful truck. Nice. Oh, we made it. Not quite in one piece, but
Lost the
yeah, I know. It's probably in the truck somewhere.
another piece missing.
My Barbie's missing a little bit of her bumper.
Do it a little more.
The U-bolt will hold it tight down to the spring.
You don't want it to just
I
all of a
wasn't the only one
sudden
who
pull
broke
it
something.
off.
The jack at.
I think it looks better without that plastic on the front. There's the rest of my bumper. Harrison Lake. Here it is. Couldn't have picked a better day to do this.
Holy.
Thanks for watching my video, guys. If you liked the video, hit that like button. If you didn't, hit the dislike button. Hit subscribe if you want to see some more awesome videos. I got lots of new content coming in the future. So stay tuned to Nick.TV, and until next time, have a good one.